long time ago, there was a woman. Her name was Alice, and she lived in an old house, the Broad Street. Outside, the wind blew the leaves through the trees. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
Alice went to see a wise man of the village.
What can I do? My desk creaks. My floors creak. The wind blows the leaves through the trees. The tea kettle whistles.
I know what you can do.
What?
Get a cow.
What good is a cow?
But Alice got a cow anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
Alice went back to the wise man.
Get a donkey.
What good is a donkey?
But Alice got a donkey anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
And Alice went back to the wise man again.
Get a sheep.
What good is a sheep?
But Alice got a sheep anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
And she went back to the wise man.
Get a hen.
What good is a hen?
But Alice got a hen anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
And back she went to the wise man.
Get a dog and get a cat too.
What good is a dog or a cat?
But Alice got a dog and a cat anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled. Now Alice was angry. She went to the wise man.
I told you my house was too noisy, that my bed creaked, my floors creaked, the leaves fall on the roof, the tea kettle whistles. You told me to get a cow. All day the cow say moo, moo. You told me to get a donkey. All day the donkey say hee haw. You told me to get a sheep. All day the sheep said ma, ma. You told me to get a hen. All day the hen said cluck, cluck. You told me to get a dog and a cat. All day the dog said oop, oop. All day the cat said meow, meow. I'm going crazy.
Do what I tell you. Let the cow go. Let the donkey go. Let the sheep go. Let the hen go. Let the dog go. Let the cat go.
So Alice let the cow go. She let the donkey go. She let the sheep go. She let the hen go. She let the dog go. She let the cat go. Now, no cow said. No donkey said. No sheep. No hen said. No dog said. No cat said. Only the bed creaked.
Quiet noise.
The floor squeaked.
Oh, what a quiet noise.
Outside, the leaves fell on the roofs. Inside, the tea kettle whistled.
Oh, how quiet my house is.
And Alice got into her bed and went to sleep and dreamed a very quiet dream.